Now, Sahil, let's go across to Sahil who joins us. Sahil, that last portion of your interview with Nitin Gadkari and also what Mohan Bhagwat actually had to say is the most important, isn't it? Where he says, who's the Prime Minister really doesn't matter. People are voting for change. Is this the sort of undercurrent that one actually sees in the, in the RSS and the BJP?
See, one thing is pretty clear that this time RSS is very upbeat about the whole election process, and RSS cadre is involved this time in the whole election process. And everyone knows that for Nitin Gadkari specifically, we saw in Nagpur that RSS cadre actually came out in open, and they were campaigning door to door. They were involved in getting the voters out, and it looks like that it's helping right now for Gadkari because the voting percentage is pretty good right now in Nagpur. But on the other hand, what Nitin Gadkari said makes a big difference to the party, because party is contesting on the name of Narendra Modi, and he says that it doesn't matter that who becomes Prime Minister. What matters is that there should be a change in the country. So if we decide about the future, maybe after 15th of May, we can take out a lot of meanings out of this. But at this point of time, the BJP leaders will not be speaking out open about this, but they will be hinting somewhere that he also said one more thing, that the government will not be BJP government, it will be an NDA government. So they will have to change a little bit of things in the manifesto taken out by BJP. They know that they will be needing support of some other parties as well. So everyone is keeping all the options open, but the most important thing is that RSS is making a political statement saying that they are involved in this process and they think that there will be a change in the country.
Absolutely. In fact, Bhaiyaji Joshi did talk about this in an interview with you early this morning. Thanks very much, Sahil, with all the latest.